The 2026 BMW X6 M is here, and it's nothing short of a powerhouse. With a staggering 750 horsepower under the hood, this luxury SUV redefines performance and elegance in one striking package. BMW has taken everything enthusiasts love about the X6 M and pushed it to the next level, blending cutting-edge technology, aggressive styling, and raw power to create an absolute beast on the road. At the heart of this machine is a reworked 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now enhanced with mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency without compromising performance. The result is instant throttle response, seamless power delivery, and a breathtaking acceleration that pins you to your seat. Whether launching from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, the 2026 X6 M delivers relentless force, making every drive an adrenaline-fueled experience. The revised 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission ensures that power is transferred to all four wheels with precision, allowing for rapid gear changes and exceptional handling in any driving condition. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system has been fine-tuned to offer an optimal balance between grip and agility. The rear-biased setup provides a more dynamic feel, allowing experienced drivers to push the limits while still maintaining complete control. The adaptive M suspension has been re-engineered to enhance ride comfort without sacrificing cornering performance, making it equally capable on twisty backroads and long highway cruises. With multiple drive modes, from comfort to track, the X6 M adapts seamlessly to the driver's preferences, ensuring a personalized experience behind the wheel. On the outside, the 2026 X6 M demands attention with its bold and aggressive design. The front fascia features a redesigned kidney grille, now larger and more sculpted than ever, flanked by slim, laser-powered headlights that provide exceptional illumination. The aerodynamic enhancements include larger air intakes, a sculpted hood with heat extractors, and an integrated rear spoiler, all contributing to improved performance and a striking presence. The quad exhaust system at the rear not only looks menacing but produces a deep, throaty growl that signals the power lurking beneath the surface. Available in an exclusive range of colors, including a new pristine red and frozen Marina Bay blue, the X6 M ensures that style matches performance in every way. Step inside, and the cabin is nothing short of a futuristic luxury experience. The latest BMW curved display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating a massive digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen. Powered by BMW's iDrive 9 system, the interface is faster, more intuitive, and packed with features such as real-time navigation, voice commands, and wireless smartphone integration. A redesigned center console now houses a crystal-finished gear selector, complemented by ambient lighting that can be customized to match the mood of the drive. The seats are a masterpiece on their own. M-carbon bucket seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara provide maximum comfort and support, ensuring the driver and passengers stay planted even during aggressive cornering. The rear seats offer ample space, making this high-performance SUV just as practical as it is exhilarating. The premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system immerses the cabin in rich, high-fidelity audio, creating an atmosphere that perfectly complements the thrill of the drive. Safety and driver assistance technology in the X6 M have also taken a significant leap forward. BMW's latest semi-autonomous driving features provide enhanced lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and a predictive collision warning system that ensures maximum safety at high speeds. The updated parking assistant with a 360-degree camera view and automated parking functions makes maneuvering this high-performance SUV effortless, whether in tight city spaces or luxury car meets. Performance, luxury, and technology aside, BMW has also focused on sustainability. The mild hybrid system not only boosts power but also improves fuel efficiency, reducing emissions without compromising the essence of what makes the X6 M special. Lightweight materials, including carbon fiber reinforced plastics, help reduce overall weight, further enhancing agility and efficiency. The new regenerative braking system recovers energy efficiently, contributing to better overall performance while maintaining environmental consciousness. For those looking to take exclusivity a step further, BM's individual program offers extensive customization options. From bespoke interior trims to unique exterior finishes, owners can create a one-of-a-kind X6 M that reflects their personal taste. Optional carbon fiber exterior packages, custom brake caliper colors, and M performance accessories add even more flair to an already striking SUV. The 2026 BMW X6 M isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in the high-performance luxury SUV segment. With 750 horsepower, state-of-the-art technology, and an unmistakable presence, it dominates both the streets and the track. Whether carving through mountain roads, cruising on the highway, or making a statement in the city, this SUV delivers an unmatched driving experience. BMW has once again raised the bar, proving that performance and luxury can coexist in perfect harmony.